Hey, Gary Baker here with 30minutemarketing.net. I got two words that I want to share with you today when we're talking about getting free traffic to our affiliate marketing offers. The first word is best. As in this example, best gaming chair, which leads us to tons of options. Best gaming chair 2021, chair under 100, chair under 200 on Amazon for big people, under 50 for big guys, with footrest, cheap. Best gaming chair cheap. You can tell by the results there's tons of traffic for these keywords due to the fact that there are ads listed at the very top. And then as you scroll down, you will see these videos using the keyword best. Best budget gaming chairs in 2020. 5 best cheap gaming chairs in 2020. The second word, review, as in gaming chair review 2020. Under 100, gaming chair review girl. Gaming chair review pink. Again, we see the ad, so we know people are searching for this keyword because people are paying money to have this keyword found. Also, the free options here, autofill pink bunny gaming chair review, top 5 best. Oh, there we see the word best. Pink gaming chairs in 2020, reviews and buying guide. So here we saw a combination of best and reviews. So I know what you're saying at this point. You're saying at this point, great, best, reviews. Everyone is making best videos and review videos. And to this, I would say you are correct to an extent. You think everyone is making these? No, the people that are making these are the people that are in the affiliate marketing business and in the business of generating content, because being in the affiliate marketing business is in the business of generating content that answers people's questions. In this case, people want to know what is the best gaming chair. Then people are looking for a review because they want your opinion. And that really is what it boils down to. Having the mindset to understand that your job as an affiliate marketer is to create content around these two keywords, or at a minimum, using these two keywords as a best starting option. Best review, the best, insert product name here. Review, again, insert product name here. It really is that simple. Back to YouTube, type in the word best, and then start typing the alphabet. Best A, best affordable. Keep typing, go B, best budget. C, best cheap. D, best desk chair. Here for review, we would simply just type in another keyword, and we would type in review. And you'll see here, tripod review, to include one that takes you down the rabbit hole here, tripod review for phone. Again, we're looking at the ads. We're looking at best phone tripod, top smartphone tripod mount reviews, top 5 best phone tripod review in 2020 for all budgets. At this point, we're focused on the two keywords, best and review, and any product out there that has an affiliate program, which is literally every product that you can think of. Now I know what you're asking. You're asking, can it really be this simple? Yes, it really is that simple, just to think of a product, use the word best, create a review about it, and then post that content to YouTube and let people find the content they're looking for. But there are other options, and one of those options is to use a keyword tool to help you in this research process. An example of that is Vidnetics. Keyword targeting made easy with the help of our related keyword tool. Extract the perfect ones for your niche. Again, this tool is not necessary, but I am going to show you how this tool works just for completeness. Just like for completeness, there's a link in the description that takes you through this entire process of how to do affiliate marketing by creating content step by step. And get this, link in the description, that content is 100% free. All you have to do is click on the link, give up your email address, and then you'll be able to register for that class for free. Now back to Vidnetics and the keyword tool. Simply come down here and come to Keyword Research Pro. Here you'll see where you enter your base keyword. In here we're going to enter gaming chair. You have the ability to look for Google or YouTube. We're focused on YouTube, so we'll go ahead and click search. What you see here are the list of keywords. This tool is pulled back, and what you have here is a shortcut to finding keywords and understanding competition. Gaming chair, volume, 1.5 million searches per month. You get into the competition over here. For example, this is high. CPC is cost per click, And you can see here how that is estimated inside of Google Ads. We're not really concerned with that value at this point because we're talking about free traffic, so we're focused in on keyword suggestions. And you can see that this tool has provided us tons and tons of keyword suggestions, all listed here that we didn't find in our original search that we did using YouTube. Then you can come over here and click on videos. Here it will scan videos and we'll find videos that can be monetized. This is more specifically for running ads, but what this does show you is a list of some of the best performing videos that people are running ads on. And here's the deal. If someone's paying to advertise over the top of a video, then that video is getting a lot of attention, a lot of views. So at this point, it's a good idea to use the information you found in the Vidnetics tool for those monetized videos. Watch those videos, understand what the people in those videos are doing, make your content as good, if not better than that content. And at that point, you've created content that people will be looking for, actively searching out to find the answer to their questions. In this case, what is the best gaming chair? Or simply do a review of multiple chairs and tell me which one is the best. And when you do, I'm going to take your recommendation, I'm going to click that link, and I'm going to buy that from you through your affiliate link, and you're going to earn a commission. If you like the way this sounds and you'd like to learn more about how this process works in a simple step-by-step fashion, go ahead and click the video you see on the screen right now. I promise you're going to pick up a few more awesome tips just like what you saw in this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.